Hi and welcome back to Felicity Plans, and for this video I'm going to show you how to import and use your digital stickers in Goodnotes, Notability and Noteshelf. And we're going to start off with Goodnotes. Click on the plus symbol, then choose Import. From here, go to where you've saved your files, then open Digital Stickers folder. And from here, click on the Goodnotes sticker book. Your digital stickers are now imported into Goodnotes. And moving on to how to use these stickers in the Goodnotes app. So now that you have both your planner and your stickers in Goodnotes, go to the page on your planner that you would like to use your sticker on. And next you need to swipe up from the bottom of your page, then hold and drag Goodnotes to the side of your planner. Open your sticker book on that side of the page. Have a look through to see which sticker you would like to use. Press and hold that sticker and then click Copy. Then go over to your planner, press and hold, then click Paste. And that's how you use your sticker book in the Goodnotes app. And moving on to Noteshelf. So to import your stickers, click on the plus symbol on the top right, then click on Import Document. And from here, go to where you've saved your sticker files, then open the Digital Sticker folder. Here you will see the Noteshelf sticker book. Click to import it into the app. Next, let's move on to how to use these stickers in Noteshelf. First, choose a page on your planner. Swipe up from the bottom of the page. Then hold and drag the Noteshelf app to the side of your planner. And on that side, open your sticker book. Go ahead and choose the sticker that you would like to use in your planner. Press and hold, then click Copy Sticker. Now go back over to your planner, press and hold, then click Paste Sticker. And that is how you use the sticker book inside of Noteshelf. So now let's move on to Notability. and go to a page that you would like to use your stickers. Next, you swipe up from the bottom of your page, press and hold Files while dragging it to the side of your planner. So on that side, go to where you've saved your sticker files. Swipe through to the sticker that you would like to use. Press and hold the sticker and click Copy. Go over to your planner, press and hold, then click Paste Image. And there you have it. That's how you use individual stickers in Notability. So for the next video, I'll be giving you a full walkthrough of my new vintage planner that's now available on Etsy and will be linked below. Keep watching this video to get a sneak peek of the planner. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.